以这家回收厂来说，他们一个月要处理400-500吨的旧衣。
At this recycling yard, they process 400 to 500 tons of used clothes a month. 40% of it is for domestic use and exports. Companies buy 30% to make fuel rods. Of the remaining 30%, companies buy 5% to make textile fibers. And these attempts are on the rise.
Environmental awareness is growing, and Taiwan's textile industries are working hard to become sustainable. Yet, they face challenges. In sorting used clothes, manual labor is required to distinguish and cut out various materials for clothing manufacturers.
那如果今天这个旧衣服，它的成分标示并不这么明确的时候
If a labeling of the recycled clothes isn't clear, it's actually difficult to recognize which material is used when manually sorting them. Therefore, the cost of labor will be reflected in the price of our recycled fabrics.
来的布料价格以及说衣服价格。
With recycled materials from old clothes becoming more expensive, manufacturers are turning to plastic bottles as a primary source of recycled polyester. However, production and use can't quite keep pace with demand.
早期在推动大家说，哦，原来
In the beginning of the campaign, people were saying PET bottles could be recycled into textiles. Suddenly, everyone jumped on the bandwagon to make PET fiber from the bottles. In turn, bottles were made but weren't filled with beverages for consumers because the recycled material of the PET bottles was usually worth more.
Greenwashing has emerged as a detrimental phenomenon, with some companies falsely promoting themselves as environmentally friendly. As earnest businesses seek alternative recyclable materials, new techniques are needed to lower costs and reduce labor, encouraging more companies to become genuinely green. Claire Wang, Zhang Zhen'an, Vivian Xiao, TVBS World Taiwan.